Okay, so we have a few recipes coming up this week where we're going to be prepping jalapeno peppers. So we're just going to do a quick tutorial on how we clean those up. So my jalapeno right here, I'm just going to remove the stem end of that. Now we're going to cut it in half, like so. Now, most of the spice, there's a fair bit of spice on the outside, but most of the spice is in the seeds. So if you want to cut out a little bit of that spice, all we're going to have to do is cut them like so. And then we're just going to take our knife and we're just going to run it down like that. And that'll remove the ribs and the seeds. Now again, if you really like spicy, you can leave that in. And as you can see, I'm wearing my gloves here so I don't get that on my hands and burn my eyes. Like so. Okay, we've got that done. Now we're going to mince these up. So very simple what we're doing here is I'm just going to use my fingers to hold down my quarter of the jalapeno here, and you can see I've done this in other videos. We're using this part of our hand to guide it. We're just going to do thin little slices like so. We'll do this one as well. And then we'll turn them to the side. We'll kind of line them up a little bit. Again, keeping my fingers in. Just going to work our way down. And we have some beautiful minced jalapeno peppers. Today we're using these in some Asian spice meatballs. But you know, this is how you would chop them up if you wanted to put them in like a salsa. And you can see how nice these came out.